Hi everybody, it's Jen and I am here with another Aliexpress haul, and this is for like journaling, my book journal, which I need to catch up on, of course, and this is from the AIMEE store. Lots of stickers there, so they're very well packaged. I'm going to go through some of the stickers and just let you know my thoughts behind them. So right now I'm doing a series called the Guild Hunter series, so there's like lots of beautiful people in them, of course, and I thought these would be perfect because they are really great artwork. I'll just give you a good idea. And you just have to kind of scroll through and look to see what it is you want, because the descriptions are basically all the same. I got another one with people. I thought this one was neat because they are men or boys, and you don't see too many. You always see the beautiful ladies, but it's hard to find some guys, and they're all dressed differently. Some of them like professional. There's a doctor. Lots of neat suits and stuff. So yeah, I definitely needed to get some diversity in my journal because there's a whole bunch of girls and no guys. Got another one. They're basically most of these are very similar, so I kind of get on kicks like that. Well, I'll just buy the same thing. But yeah, check out my little series for my book journal. That one's neat. It has a book. So this one has a little some extra goodies. And these are all stickers, not just die cuts, but stickers. I don't know what's with the fans. I don't quite understand it. The stags are neat. Butterflies, birds, and a scroll. And oh, a candle. Okay, okay. Mix them all together. Some more people, and these people are dressed kind of, they're very exotic people. But they have pretty neat outfits on, and they have very like ornate headdresses, and they remind me of goddesses. Some of them, minus the bunny ear ones. That doesn't remind me of a goddess, but so I thought those would be nice. We have some more girls. Oh, there's just a severed head. A young one, a little girl. These are some of these have some different artwork styles, which are neat. I like having a little bit of diversity. I don't think I'm going to be able to use the Mickey Mouse one, but you never know. Oops. Yep, there's some younger ones in here, which is good. It's a different art style. I'm not sure what that says. And there's a flower, and then some heads there, and then there's the back of the head. That one's like real popular right now. Set him off. These are guys again, and these are just squares. Verify these are stickers also. Yep, I think so. Maybe. I'm not sure if they're stickers or not. I don't remember. I think these may not be. They feel like they are. Okay, this is a mixed batch, but interesting, a little different. And we got some more similar ones here. Okay, it just says photo paper, so these are not stickers. Verified. The photo paper, it feels like the vinyl stickers. There we go. These are cute. I don't think I bought them, so these must be a free gift. So thank you for a free gift. They're in a really cute little bag. And these are die cuts. Yep, I definitely did not order these, but that reminds me of strawberry shortcake. So does that one. So I got a little pack of free die cuts. And then these look like buildings. So places maybe, yeah. Do not, there's like Notre Dame maybe. But yeah, it's some different 7 wonders of the world. I don't know that I bought those either, but whatever. One more of the people, and then I have a cute one. So just some different, very similar looking ladies dressed in different outfits. And I figured that with all this with all these options, I can kind of put a sticker with each one of my characters and be like, okay, this is a visualization, especially kind of like these. Like, I can definitely use those. And then last but not least, I got some kawaii, cute stickers. We have bunnies and kitties. I just can't resist the cats with the really short legs. They're like midgie cats. I like them, they're so cute. I don't know that I knew there was bunnies involved, but still cute. I'm not sure where I'm going to use them yet, but we'll find a spot for them. They're dressed like chickens, I think. Cute. Alright, so that is my little sticker haul. I hope y'all enjoy it. So, yeah, head on over AIMEE store at Aliexpress and look to see if there's anything there that you would enjoy. This entire order was less than $50, so I mean, you really can't beat that price. I think it was more around the $30 range. So yeah, head on over there and see what they have for you. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.